Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Garmin Connect for syncing workouts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Garmin Connect for syncing workouts, start by ensuring that your Garmin device is fully charged. Next, download the Garmin Connect app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your smartphone. If you already have a Garmin account, sign in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, select Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. After signing in, you may need to pair your Garmin device with the app. To do this, access the menu and select Garmin Devices. Tap on Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone for successful pairing. Once your device is paired, the app will automatically sync with your workouts. If prompted, grant any necessary permissions for the app to access your device's location and health data. After syncing, you can view your workout data directly in the Garmin Connect app. To ensure everything is set up correctly, check your device settings for any synchronization options. You can now track, analyze, and share your workout data seamlessly. For future workouts, simply wear your Garmin device, and it will automatically sync with the app when in range. That's it. You are now ready to enjoy all the benefits of Garmin Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.